Hi everyone, this is Wen Chao. Today we are going to take a look inside at a very common USB charger here. Before I open it, I was looking on the internet on ways to open this charger. Here are some ways I found. The way I open this, however, is through this. Because it's very small, you can just pry it open like that. Here we have two capacitors, a diode, a transformer, and the USB port. We have a bridge rectifier and another component that I really don't know much about. A Y capacitor, I believe. This charger is not made by Apple, so the design is relatively simple. So this is for today's short video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.